In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix my X Twitter timeline not in chronological order. First, open X. You will see the familiar layout of the platform. This is where you connect with friends, follow interests, and stay updated on news. Opening the app is the gateway to managing your timeline effectively. It sets the stage for adjusting your settings so you can regain control over what you see. Remember, a well-organized timeline can enhance your experience, making it easier to catch up with the latest updates from your favorite accounts. Once the app is open, at the top of the homepage, click Following. This button is often overlooked, but it's crucial for adjusting your timeline. By clicking on Following, you tell the app you want to see updates from accounts you actively engage with. This is important because it helps prioritize the content that truly matters to you, ensuring you don't miss out on important posts. You will notice the button changes, indicating that you are now viewing a different timeline. Now, your timeline will show posts from accounts you follow in reverse chronological order, with the newest posts appearing first. This format allows you to see updates as they happen, rather than being filtered by an algorithm. It's beneficial because it keeps your feed relevant and timely. You will appreciate how refreshing it is to see everything in the order it was posted. This change ensures that you are always up to date, providing a more authentic social media experience. After making these adjustments, take a moment to scroll through your timeline. You should notice a difference in the content displayed. Each post will reflect the latest activity from those you follow, making your browsing much more engaging. This step reinforces the idea that social media should be about real-time interactions. You can now feel confident that your timeline reflects your interests accurately. If you find that the posts are still not appearing as expected, revisit the Following button. Sometimes it may be necessary to toggle it off and on again to refresh the content. This simple action can resolve minor glitches that sometimes occur. Just remember, staying proactive about your settings can save you time and frustration later on. In conclusion, these steps will help ensure your Twitter timeline is organized and chronological. It makes your experience more enjoyable and keeps you in the loop with your favorite content. Enjoy your refreshed timeline and feel free to return to these settings whenever you want to make adjustments again. Thank you for watching and happy tweeting.